In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a disk snapshot in Microsoft Azure. This process is essential for preserving the state of your virtual machine disks at a particular point in time, giving you peace of mind when it comes to data protection and recovery. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to sign in to the Azure portal. If you're not already familiar, the Azure portal is your central hub for managing all your Azure services, and you'll want to be comfortable navigating through it. Once logged in, find your way to either All Services and select Disks to view all of your managed disks, or you can simply go to your specific virtual machine and select the disk you wish to snapshot from there. Once you have located the disk you want, head over to the Disks page. This is often referred to as the Disks blade in Azure. Here, you'll see an option that says Create Snapshot. Click this to start the process of creating your snapshot. Now, on the Create Snapshot blade, you'll need to configure several settings to ensure the snapshot meets your requirements. Let's walk through these choices. First, you'll decide on the subscription and resource group where you will store the snapshot. This is crucial because your subscription indicates your billing context, and the resource group helps organize your Azure resources. Next, you'll assign a name to your snapshot. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After naming your snapshot, you'll select a region. Keep in mind that the selected region must match or be compatible with the region of your source disk for best practices. Also, take a moment to decide on the snapshot type, which can be full or incremental, depending on your needs and if this option is supported. Moving on to the source type, ensure that you are picking the correct disk you want to snapshot. This will typically be a managed disk. You'll then choose your preferred storage type, which could be a standard HDD, SSD, or another Azure-supported option. There's also an option for zone-redundant storage if that's something you need to consider for additional reliability. After these essential settings, you have options for configuring things like encryption, networking, and tags. These are additional features you might want to adjust based on your organizational security and management policies. Finally, after all configurations are set and reviewed, click Review plus Create. This will give you a chance to review the settings you've entered. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, click Create. This will initiate the snapshot deployment process. And there you have it. Your snapshot will begin deploying, capturing the data at this specific point in time. Snapshots are incredibly useful for backups and reverting to a previous state. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently manage your Azure resources.